I'm excited for this. I'm excited to look like a princess. Do you want me to tell you what we have prepared? I have makeup, eyelashes, nails. Honest rating, okay? This is obviously Face app, and it's gonna make me look way more beautiful than I might be. But you have to tell me, what would you rate me out of 10? Number 1. This one's a little more done out. Hoochie mama kind of makeup. And lastly, Smash? Can I wear a hat for this?
Why would you wear a hat now?
Because
we do need to, you know, get that shit out of the way.
No! Why would you do that? Okay, how about you don't bobble my head yet, though? Just do this.
Can I at least try it?
No,
just let me tie it. Let me try it.
At the end.
No, just let me try it now.
At the end.
I'm just tying it so I can get it away.
At the end.
Old and crusty ass beauty blender, but it's just got foundation on it, so it's fine. I feel like that's really light.
I think it's nice. Yo.
Close your eye. No, not like relax.
What?
Just close your eye.
Oh.
Don't squint. No. No.
Ah! I opened them midway.
Why would you open it, you fucking...
I was curious. I wanted to see what it looked like. Okay, stop there. What the fuck, dude? What is this?
Just don't smile too much, because you're gonna cause like creasing.
Creasing?
It'll just make you look old.
How do girls enjoy themselves?
If you're going on a night out and like, oh, the girls are there and you're doing your makeup and they're making you laugh, you just have like laugh lines there and you can't even powder it to get rid of it. You're like laughing like this. You're like, oh.
Is that why no one laughs?
I feel like maybe not all girls do that, but I'm like, okay, go like this. Move the hair.
Hey, you don't need to pull it back. Relax. Don't pull it back. It's already. Oh. How much foundation do I need, bro?
Because you're not letting me do it.
I'm asking how much. Do we do like 3 layers or something?
No, you just have to do.
Let it dry for an hour and then come back.
This then is contour. We're going to be putting it in along his cheek.
Is it me or do I like have a natural highlighter, huh?
It's because you're shiny right now.
Oh.
And it's to make the nose slimmer.
Why? What's wrong with my nose? But what if I like my nose?
Foundation, it's just a step of makeup, okay? The reason we're contouring the forehead is to make it smaller. Okay?
Hey! You know what? Actually, yeah, keep going. Can makeup make certain features bigger?
Usually when you do contour, or like not contour, but like concealer, you kind of do it like under your eye area. This is literally what I just do for makeup. Okay, and then you do it on the eye.
Don't do that! Do you think I could pull with this on?
Oh yeah, like people will look at you and they're like, that's a dude, but I still smash.
Ow! My eye was open! Hey, look. Already, dude. Wait, I'm telling you, once I get these lashes on.
Yeah, no, honestly.
I'm gonna start eating people out. Can we hurry up, dude? Oh
You actually done more. Just chill.
Oh my god. Talk to the
Okay, so highlighter. Right here.
Why does that burn?
It doesn't burn. What the fuck?
Why'd you get so scared?
Scared,
It's my brother. He lives here. Are you asking why? I have needs, Alfredo.
If he wants to feel good and wear makeup, he's gonna feel good and wear makeup, okay? It's not about his looks.
I know, I'm kidding.
Don't.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna make
What
your
are you
nose look fucking fat. Not fat, but like crooked.
Overweight.
I always do makeup like this.
What does that have to do with me?
It's the only way I can get it.
Oh my god.
Side by side.
You look like Norma Foley. Oh my god.
It's Norma Foley.
She has me! Stop it! Why are you moving?
Stop laughing. You're doing good.
Let go.
Let go. Why are you breathing?
I feel like I'm gonna pass out, dude. I got so scared.
And smile with your teeth. Do you see all of the makeup on his teeth?
Will I ever get to play Valorant?
Okay, how do you feel? Wow!
Do I look nice? I don't know, bro. I'm trying to think, like, how much dick do you think I could get in one night? They say I look like you with the beard.
Alright, look directly at the camera.
This shit is a struggle to blink, dude.
Our Hector never seemed so fruity. I mean, you are like this. Wow. Nail number 1.
I get the face, but this is next level. How am I gonna wipe my ass? Are you on the LGBT? No, I'm a straight white brown male. I'm a straight brown male. This is just for content. But I'll suck a dick for 5.
You look like a makeup artist that like.
Listen, girls, we're gonna do your makeup. No, I'm not doing the voice yet. Well, anyways, these are my nails.
Why are you showing them like that? You're like.
What am I supposed to do?
You gotta go.
Guys, these are my nails.
You gotta shake them like this.
Dude, I'm such a slut. Yo, I look sexy. I'll talk to you later, boys.